Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete Reddit account on mobile. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Reddit and now click on your profile picture at the upper right corner of your screen. Now, you want to click on Settings. Then just go ahead and scroll down until you see the Delete Account option. So just go ahead and click on that. And here, once you delete your account, your profile and username are permanently removed from Reddit and your posts, comments, and messages are disassociated, not deleted from your account. So if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on Yes, Delete. Okay, so now just go ahead and type your username as well as your password. Okay, so I'm just gonna type my username, also my password. Now click on Continue. So here you can answer this question. So why are you leaving? But if you don't want to answer that, just go ahead and click on Continue. Okay, so be absolutely sure before deleting your account. Deleting your account removes it from Reddit and our administrators won't be able to bring it back for you. Okay, so if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on Delete. Okay, and that should delete your Reddit account on your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.